I found this hidden gem resort in Bangkok with a private luxury jacuzzi for only 6,000 to 6,200 pieces per night. If you're a Filipino traveling to Thailand, you need to see this. Let me show you what you get for your money. Welcome to Nomadic Filipina, and for this video everybody, I'm going to show you where we are staying here. And as of the moment, we are actually here in Chillax Resort Bangkok. So that's actually where we are staying right now, if you see that. And I'm going to show you and giving you a tour of this area. And as I mentioned, this area is actually 6,200 pesos per night. Yeah, I'm not sure how much is that in USD, guys, but that's how much is in pesos. So right now, guys, we are going inside. I think this is the entrance. Yeah, we're gonna go up. Hello, good morning. So that is the concierge. Yeah, the car price 500. I don't know how much is the baht to Philippines pesos, guys, but yeah. Excuse me, I have a question. Kanang what floor is the pool area? Sixth floor. Okay, thank you. And this is their buffet prices here is like 299 baht. Yeah. Go up. Let's go up. Hello. Okay. I thought we need this. How's Thailand?
I love it.
You love it here?
I love it. Yeah.
Have you been to any other Asia or just here in Thailand?
In Thailand, yeah.
Yeah.
I traveled a lot around.
Yeah. They said like in Khao is wild but looks empty today.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh, this is their gym, guys. Let's go inside. Oh. Wait. I think I found my place now. I think I found my place. I want to save in here. So yeah, this is included with the gym as well, guys. So it's really good. I found our area now where to relax, where to do something. Maybe later, guys, I'm going to do live stream, yeah. So currently we are actually in the pool area. This is the pool, like it's like look like infinity. Is this right, guys? Infinity, not that kind of view over there, so you can relax. And currently your nomadic Filipino is just sitting in here, just chilling. It's quite hot today, guys. I think it's like 29 degrees Celsius right now. It looks the weather is almost the same in the Philippines actually. Okay, a little bit hotter. We are staying. So let's put the card over here so that it will gonna give us some light. And let's go inside. Actually, guys, I love this area. Oh my goodness. Like, you cannot really believe, like, yeah. Look at that. You're gonna insert your card over there. And this one, I'm not sure, guys, what is this? This is for fun. This is my first time seeing this one, guys. So we're actually staying here in Chillax Resort. So if you're wondering, guys, how much is this? Wondering how much is this area that we are staying is like 600 to 6,200 pesos per night. Yes. So we are going to go to the bathroom first, but before that, guys, we got some mirror over there. You know, mirror, we really need it. As for like Filipinas, you know, for women, we love mirrors. We love to take selfie pictures and whatever it is. And this is the comfort room area. And this is the lavatory. You get some of this where you can put this, your toothbrush, toothpaste. And of course, guys, the hot and cold shower. I really need it tonight, guys, because I am super tired. We got shampoo from for bathing, you know, at that. That. And of course, guys, we have this as well. You know, you're gonna chill, you're gonna chill in there, especially if you're very tired. I'm gonna try that, guys. I think I really need that because I am super tired right now. Like it's been a long trip for us and I don't feel well today. And of course, this is your cabinet area where you can stock your clothes over here. Yeah, I put my jacket over there already. Another mirror, table where you can work or do some stuff like, chill if you have visitors or you yourself and watch movie over there. You can have coffee as well. Oh my goodness. No more coffee for me tonight, guys, because it makes me palpitating. And of course, guys, this one, the bed. The bed is over here. Like, I wanna go to sleep. Who want to go to sleep with me, guys? And you got some of this as well. Wow. And that is the view of the city. We're just gonna open this. Close it. Let's close it, guys, so that the aircon will going to get through. And of course, let's go to sleep, everybody. Let's go to sleep, guys. I really need this, guys. I am super tired, so I need to sleep. It's been a very, very long day for us, so sleep is very well needed for us. This is all for today's video. See you on my Thailand vlog.